Okay, guys, welcome back to our channel Financial Wealth, and here we are again giving you a tour of one of the another townhouse. So we just brought this townhouse not that long ago. As usual, I just want to give you some nice tour of this townhouse. This is a two-car garage townhouse, about 1695 square foot townhouse. And here we are ready to show you the place. All right, so I'm actually just came inside the house. It's raining outside, so cannot really show you much outside right now, but here we are inside. So as you coming in, this is the foyer. Is a nice kind of a wooden looking finished floor here. So this house has a wood floor and a carpet floor, both combined. So this is a nice setup. As you can see, it's pretty much open layout of this home. I like the layout. This is not a 3 stories like what we have other houses actually I have shown you previously, but this is like a 2 stories house, pretty nice layout setup. All together 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom house, and a kitchen and a living room. All right, so here we are. As you can see, we are in the living room. It's a nicely set up at the foyer. You can see the wooden floor, and in the living area you can see the carpet here. Let's move on. Now here we are in the kitchen area. Okay, so you can imagine it's pretty much same setup as most of the other townhouse you have seen, but this is a little bit different. So as you can see, we have set up kind of a wooden floor. This is like engineer wood though. This is not a purely wood floor, but it's a nice looking kind of a flooring here, you can see. Yeah, so we have a kitchen here. Next to the kitchen, we have a little room where you can see for your dining table setup. And from the dining room, you can see the view outside of the backyard. As you can see, it's raining outside, but I just want to give you the glimpse at how our backyard looks for this townhouse. As you can see, we have a nicely kind of a wooden deck setup here. We also have like a fence backyard. So this is pretty nice privacy if you want to add in some privacy, if you want to just throw some parties out and maybe some of your own work. Yeah, so that's the backyard. Let's keep going. As you can see from the living room, you can see the entrance, the foyer area, a nice ceiling fan setup here. And here is a little gallery where you can see we also have like some closet here. Here you go. Some closet here, little tight here for walking. But as you can imagine, this is a almost 1700 square foot townhouse. So it's a nice space. Okay, this is a half bathroom downstairs over here. Here you go. And keep walking. We're gonna go basement at the last. I'm gonna show you the basement and a garage at the end of the video, so stay on till end. Let's go upstairs. So we are walking up. As you can see in the staircase, we have a kind of a carpet setup, and here at the left you have a little room for your laundry where the washer and dryer is already hooked up. There's a nice outside looking window. You can see the nicer view actually outside of the community. Okay, so this is we are upstairs now, and the upstairs gallery, as you can see, we have at my left, we have the first bedroom. So it's pretty much like a blue color setup in the room. As you can see, actually our previous owner looks like they have a one boy and a girl, so the rooms are set up accordingly. We're gonna rent it out this place, so we might change the color to neutral, but we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do for that. Okay, here is a nice looking fan. As you can see, I'm sure this is some sort of sport theme. As you can read here, sports fan series, autograph model. Wow, never thought that people also have a fan like that. Look at that. It's a nice looking fan. Okay, so that's one of the first room. Moving forward, here we got the pink room. I'm sure our previous owner, probably little daughter rooms, as you see, is a color with the pink. So again, we're renting out this place, so maybe our future owner, future renters, probably they might able to change this to the neutral color. Here is the room is also coming with the nice closet setup for your storage. Okay, and here you can see the full bathroom. So this is a common bathroom actually between the two bedroom. As you can see, this is a full bathroom, shower, toilet, and here is the nicer setup. Now you can see from the bathroom, one bedroom here, the second bedroom here. This is the laundry room. This is your staircase, which you're looking down from upstairs. And then let's move in forward to the master bedroom. So here we are. You have a master bedroom setup. It's pretty nice setup. It's a pretty big bedroom actually, as you can see. And the bedroom has two nice looking window. Actually the windows, there's windows facing towards the backyard, so you can have a nice backyard view from the window. Here you go from other side of the bedroom. Here I can able to show you here the attached bathroom. So this is another full bathroom which is attached to the master bedroom. Here you go with the full shower and a toilet setup. Also this master bedroom come with the big closet setup. So let me just take you inside. Okay, here we are. Yep. Here I'm in the closet. Yeah, so master bedroom come with the attached full bathroom and a big closet for the storage. Okay, so this is it for upstairs. And now we're gonna take you downstairs. Maybe we're gonna go down straight to the basement now. So let's check out the basement. Okay. All right, so you can see this is a garage door. So we're gonna take a look at that garage in a minute. Let's go downstairs. Okay, here we are. So the basement is not a finish, but it's a nice and kind of a cleaner basement. So if you want, you can able to set up your office, or maybe if you want to set up a gym or something, you can able to set up in this basement. But you can see it's a not finished basement. We might finish this one in the future though. But you can see it's a nice looking kind of a setup here too. You can see this is our air conditioning setup. This is a water heater. So all the utilities actually staying in the basement. Okay, going back upstairs. Let's check out our garage now. Okay, it's a little darker here. Let me just open the garage door. Here you go. So this is a two car garage. as you can see, and you can see the community setup right here. Nice and open garage where you can put actually park you can park 2 cars right here in the garage. Okay, this is it for this video. I hope you like this video, and I am sure you must need to know that how much we are renting this place. So this place we are renting for $2,700 a month. So we just started actually our listing on Zillows and Trulias and some of the online website now. So the people started visiting the place. So hopefully we'll rent it on time, and probably coming back with some nicer videos like these in a near future. Until then, thank you. And if you are watching our video first time, really appreciate if you can like and subscribe our channel Financial Wealth. Thank you.